If your solar projects are getting delayed, if your permits keep coming back with corrections, if you're losing installation dates because approvals take too long, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to get solar permits approved faster in the US, without cutting corners, without arguing with AHJs, and without endless revision cycles. Because the truth is, most permit delays are preventable, and once you understand how the system works, approvals become predictable. Let's get into it. Why solar permits get delayed. Before we talk about speed, we need to talk about reality. Permits don't get delayed randomly. They get delayed because documents are incomplete, drawings are inconsistent, code references are missing, calculations are unclear, AHJ specific requirements aren't followed. Reviewers are not trying to slow you down, they are trying to reduce risk. If something looks unclear or incomplete, they request corrections. And every correction cycle adds time. The goal isn't to push the AHJ. The goal is to submit something that's easy to approve. Understand the specific AHJ. Here's mistake number one installers make. They treat all AHJs the same, but every authority having jurisdiction is different. Some focus heavily on structural loads. Some are strict on electrical labeling. Some care deeply about fire setbacks. If you want faster approvals, you must check the AHJ's website, review their solar checklist, confirm adopted NEC version, verify required forms. 5 minutes of research can save weeks of revision. Pro tip, create an internal AHJ database, track common comments, document recurring issues. Installers who do this reduce rejection rates dramatically. Submit a complete permit set. Speed starts with completeness. Your permit set should include cover sheet, site plan, array layout, single line diagram, SLD, structural details, mounting details, equipment data sheets, electrical calculations, required notes and labels. Missing just one of these can trigger corrections. Fast approvals happen when reviewers don't need to ask questions. Clarity, speed. Make your SLD reviewer friendly. The single line diagram is one of the most reviewed documents. To speed approval, use clean formatting. Clearly label breaker sizes, show conductor sizes, identify grounding, match panel ratings. Most delays happen because the SLD doesn't match the site plan. Breaker sizing is unclear, interconnection is confusing. Make it simple. If the reviewer understands it in 30 seconds, approval moves faster. Get structural details. Right. Wind loads, attachment spacing, mounting specs. Structural corrections are very common. To avoid delays, include load calculations, specify attachment spacing, provide mounting manufacturer sheets, match roof type correctly. When structural documentation is weak, approvals slow down fast. Strong structural documentation builds reviewer confidence. Double check electrical calculations. Electrical comments are another big delay factor. Before submitting, verify voltage drop, confirm conductor sizing, validate breaker calculations, ensure code references are correct. Tiny math errors create big delays. One incorrect breaker size can reset your review clock. Accuracy saves time. Use AHJ checklists before submitting. This is one of the simplest ways to get faster approvals. Before submission, print the AHJ checklist, go line by line, check everything. Many installers skip this step because they're busy, but this step alone can reduce revision cycles by 30-50%. Don't guess what they need. Follow their list. Communicate clearly. If something is unusual about the project, non-standard roof, large service upgrade, battery integration, main panel replacement, explain it clearly in notes. When reviewers understand context, they're less likely to request clarification. Clarity reduces friction. Respond to corrections fast and smart. If you do get corrections, don't argue emotionally. Respond professionally. Address each comment clearly. Highlight revisions, resubmit quickly. Fast response time can reduce total approval time significantly. The faster you reply, the faster the cycle closes. How professional engineering support speeds approvals. Here's the reality. As you scale, permit complexity increases. More systems, more AHJs, more revisions. Professional engineering support helps because plans are cleaner, calculations are verified, documentation is complete, common errors are avoided, installers who invest in documentation, quality scale faster. Final takeaway: if you want solar permits approved faster, it's not about pushing the AHJ, it's about submitting something that's easy to approve. Research the AHJ, submit complete documents, double check calculations, follow checklists, respond quickly. When you treat permitting as a technical process, not paperwork, approvals become predictable. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical solar insights for installers and EPC companies. And if your team needs professionally prepared AHJ-ready solar permit plans with faster turnaround, Green World Renewable Energy supports installers across the US with complete engineering and permit documentation. You'll find the contact details in the description. Let's help you get approvals faster and scale smarter. See you in the next video.